What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol DNA for Ginkgo BioWorks. On the left-hand side, we're looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. Now, this company did just go public via merger. The old ticker symbol was SRNG, if you were following that one. But anyways, we are going to treat this the exact same as if this were a newer IPO. We generally look at three price levels as a guideline for going forward here. The first one is, of course, the opening print of the new merger at $11.15. After that, we look at the high of the opening drive higher up here at $14.25. And then we're kind of concerned with the low as well. And you can see it's very close to the opening print there. So not too much to read into from that perspective. Shifting over to the 30-minute intraday time frame now, you can clearly see that there was a large expansion of range to the upside on today's session without very much pullback on the immediate run higher. So what we'll do is take out the fibs from the low all the way on up to the high just to see where our critical areas are at and where we've closed in comparison. So as of right now in the post market, we're currently trading 1205 by 1209. So underneath actually where we closed here at 1213. So just imagine that we're trading, just slightly below, kind of in that white line area. But what's concerning about that is the fact that we're now trading underneath the 61.8. I know you probably can't see it on that green candle there, but that is the 61.8 retracement. And generally that's seen as a line in the sand whenever you're dealing with expansion of range. If we start trading underneath, the probabilities that it retraces 100% greatly increase, right? So kind of concerning here, the fact that we're trading underneath. So we'll see what happens by the time 9:30 bell rolls around on Monday morning. Can we open back inside of the critical Fibonacci zone, kind of in here, or do we even break back above the 38.2, which is currently sitting at 1305? What I like about these numbers, though, is the fact that almost both of them, right, the 38.2 and the 61.8, are coinciding very closely with structure. So we're going to clean this up and really just focus on that structure going forward for easier levels to monitor. So our 38.2 is sort of right around this zone. Again, let's just use 13, noting that we had two perfect touches to it into the afternoon there, and then that the floor and that sort of area in here at $12.11 will act as comparable to the 61.8. So those are the numbers to be watching. Any open down here, avoid. I would sit on hands, be patient, because again, it's very likely we come back down into the lows. Now, if we get into the lows and we start printing a hammer candle, if we start printing an indecision doji, basically anything that would make you question, is this pullback over? Can we flip long over the highs and then get back up into some of these upside targets? That would be the place to go. If it starts breaking down underneath 11, kind of look out below. There's no saying how low this could potentially go. If we take out the 12.11, again, you're just looking for these upside levels. We have 13 and then the high of today at 14.25. Any consolidation that resumes back in here, fine. You're looking for the breakout over 13, but I really would avoid it if we open anywhere down here or kind of at this 12 area. Really need some structure to be put in for the break of 13 to be valid via some sort of consolidation, some sort of pattern, so on and so forth. Then you have those upside levels. If 14.25 is taken out and I'm completely wrong and this thing takes off like a rocket ship, then fine. You're looking at whole and half dollars intraday levels that do form on something that's still trading sub 20 as of right now. So those are my thoughts here on DNA. It's very simple. You only have a couple of numbers to watch out for in a couple scenarios, not getting involved, being patient if we trade underneath 12.11. So if you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.